solved many pages, even the revision at the beginning of the book. Yes, you are so perfect. So perfect. Inshallah, if I have a time, I will check all of this for you, ya Jamila. But of course, not now because we have a session now. But after, inshallah, the session, if I have free time, I will check all for you, inshallah.
Okay. Your mic is mute.
Okay, but I need from you something, ya Jamila. Can you see this like a multiple choice questions after each lesson? It's so important to answer this. Even we don't have time to answer it in the session, please make it as a homework. Even I didn't say it for you, okay? The multiple choice question. At the end of each lesson, you can find this like a small quiz like this, okay? Try to do it first, and then you can finish your homework as you want. Okay?
Okay.
I think you stopped at this question. You didn't know how to answer it?
Yes.
يا جميلة, huh? I think you finish here. I have letter D. Yes, you don't know how to answer it? I can explain again for you. Your mother said you have things you can't understand. Please tell me them, please, ya Jamila. Start with which question you didn't know how to answer or how to make it. This one, or you have another one?
Another one.
Yeah, what is it? Please tell me.
Getting interest now.
Page what?
It's page 13.
Page 30?
13.
13, yeah, at the first pages, yes. In the revision, you mean?
Yeah. No, before the revision.
Before the revision? It's a 13 here. Which question you didn't know how to...
Up. It's a one. This one.
This one? Okay.
Yes.
I said what, ya Jamila? I said if you have 1,000, you can cross it out like this and write instead 3 zeros, because you know that 1,000 has 3 zeros. So I will write here 1, 2, 3, like this. Imagine you translate something to another something. You translate 1,000 to 3 zeros. You know that? So I will cross the 1,000 and write instead of it 3 zeros up, and write the same 30. So you have 30,000. Now he needs you to change this number to be in hundreds. How can I do that? Huh? Tell me, ya Jamila, the 100. How many zeros in 100?
2.
2. Yeah, so I will just cross 2 zeros from here and write what are left over with you. You have 300, so you will write 300. So your number, which is 30,000, exactly like 300 hundreds. Got it?
Got it.
Akid? Sure? I can explain again. Do you have any question here in this page, or what do you have else?
Nothing else.
Or check
No.
check your book, and if you have any question,
No.
I can explain it for you. Okay, do you know how to make this question? Page 14, number 5, this match. Easy?
There are others. Yes.
This one. Okay. Please come again.
Teacher.
Yes.
Page 25.
25. nice to pick up this page. 25, 20, 25. Yes. This جميلة. I said
Not the
lesson
top
1.
one.
جميلة. I said lesson 1 just for reading. You don't have to study it at all. You don't need to study it, and even you don't need to answer it. Just know what digit is. A single digit, a single symbol, like 0, like 1, like 2. Okay, but if you have 2 digit, if you have
Problem
moving 1
3.
digit like this,
I have a
33,
problem.
this will be a number or numeral. That's it. I want you only to know the difference between the digit and the number only. But the lesson is
Our
just for
teacher.
reading. No one will ask you about this lesson, you know? Which question? Question 3?
Yes, 3.
Okay. Here in your own words, write a brief definition of terms, digit, number, and numeral. I said, yeah, Jamila, you don't need to study this lesson. why do you really tell me, Miss, I want question 3. I didn't say even answer this lesson as a
My
homework.
mother told me to answer.
Okay, I can say it for you, but you don't have to study it at all. Look يا جميلة, if I have I said before, a digit is a single symbol, refers to one digit. For example, 0, 1. I can say this digit. You can write with me if you want. I can say digit is a single. Do you know what is the meaning of single? Means one.
Means
Symbol.
one.
Yes.
With
Yeah.
alone, without
Yes.
any.
Yes. And write examples for a digit like 0, like 1, like 2, 9, up to 9. But if you have 10, this is not a digit. This is a number with 2
A number
digits.
or a numeral.
Or numeral, yes, or numeral. Okay, the numeral is the way we write the number. Okay, the way, like what, like if I have, for example, 25, I can write 25 in many other ways. Like what? Like writing in letters, 20 in letters, 25. Okay, like 25. So this is a numeral and this is another numeral. You got now the difference between the number and the numeral. This is a number, okay, and this is a numeral. The numeral is the way or the style which you can express your number. يعني 25 دي أنا أقدر أعبر عنها كمان بالletters. Also, you can use a block of 10 and ones like this. This is 2 tens and 5 ones in this way, and this is another way to express 25 by using 10 and ones block like this. So this is also a numeral because it expresses a number, which is 25. Easy? Huh? Is it hard? Okay. And what about number? Number only the amount of something. The amount of something. So any question start with how many? It's a number. Any question, be careful, any question start with how many, so this is a number. How many pencils do you have? How many brothers do you have? How many sisters do you have? How many books do you have? How much money do you have? How many friends do you have? How many favorite subjects do you like? Do you know what I mean, يا جميلة? So the answer should be always as a number. If I ask you how many friends do you like, هتقولي لي مثلا 2. 2 is a number. How many pencils do you have? I have 3 pencils. 3 is a number. How many brothers do you have? I have 3 brothers. So 3 is a number. Huh? Got it? And be careful. Be careful. If you have a number written like this in letters or as a words, this is not a number. This is a numeral. A number should be in digits only, written in digits only. Okay, يا جميلة?
Okay.
Okay, so this is a numeral and a number in the same time. And this is only numeral, and this is only numeral. And the digit, I think you know them like 0, like 1, like 2, like this. But if you have a 10, number 10, for example, this is a number.
It's not digit.
It's number from 2 digits. It's number from 2 digits, and you can say also it's numeral. I think it's easy. Anything hard, I can explain again for you or give you another example to get it more.
No, I understand.
Okay. Do you have another question?
No.
Okay. So after that, please open page, the page you stopped at when you're doing your homework. Check the page. Yes. This one. Yeah. Do you need hear something, ya Jamila, to explain it for you? I think you stopped at letter D. Letter D.
Yes, we did.
Can you answer the others by yourself? Or do you have anything hard? Okay, I can check that by solving letter E. Can you solve letter E with me now? Yeah.
Okay.
Between parentheses, you have 7,800. Huh?
Okay.
They will be. Okay, yes, I will cross 1,000 and write instead 3 zeros up and write 7. So it's 7,000. And what about this? Hundreds is 2 zeros, yes. And 8. Yes, so nice. And means what? And
means we combine them together.
Yes, we add them together, put them together. 7,000 plus 800 equals what?
Equals 7,800.
Yes. Times what here is out. We have times what?
Times 100.
Times 100, yes. So how many in all you will get after you multiply 7,800 by 100? Ask yourself, how many zeros do I have in all in my problem? In the first number and in the second number? Four, yes. So bring them out in the answer like this. And multiply the non-zero digits together. 78 multiplied by 1 here equal what?
78.
78. So my answer will be 780,000. That's it, 780,000. Okay.
780,000. Okay.
Yes. Perfect, يا جميلة. Perfect. Okay, I will skip all of this. I will skip all. And I said, this is my only advice for you to check the multiple choice question after each lesson, okay? From now, يا جميلة, the first page you should answer after each lesson is to solve the multiple choice question in your book, okay? And
Okay.
they at most you will find them 10 question, 20 question, that's it. They are not big more يعني, you mean. So only you have like this. Look, this page is 20 because the lesson is big a little bit and have a lot of um, ideas, if I mean to express that. Okay, now I have the lesson of today is lesson 5. Okay, it's many ways to write the number. Many ways to write the number. And we have something new here
Hey,
called
which page?
composing and decomposing. This is page 47. There was a lesson in grade 2 ask you to compose or decompose the number. Did you remember it from grade 2? If I give you ya Jamila, this is just a quick idea about the lesson of today. If I give you 25 and I ask you to decompose this number, what should you do to decompose this number? Decompose means break it apart to tens and ones. Did you remember that? Another name, but the same idea. To break apart or write the tens and the ones.
Like this.
This will be what? 20, yes, plus 5. Excellent. And this is what the expanded form for 25. So here, composing and decomposing exactly like the expanded form for the number which you have. Easy. Decomposing and but what about composing? Composing means the opposite process,
Yes.
the opposite
If I
thing. Yeah, if
I
I
have
have 20, yes, if I have 20 plus 5 and I ask you to compose them, means to put them together. Yes, to add, to combine them together, as you said. 20 plus 5 is 25. So this is decompose and this is compose the number. Easy? Easy. And we have many ways before. We have studied in grade 3, in grade 2, even in grade 1 to write the number. Did you remember them, or can you tell any way you know about the number?
I didn't hear you. I didn't hear. Say it again.
We have many ways, ya Jamila, to write the number. For example, I can write 25 in digit like this, and I can write 25 like this in letter. Yes, 25.
Yes.
And I can write them by using the blocks, by using the drawing, the building, how to build 25. It's 2 tens like this,
Okay.
2 tens like this, and 5 ones, 5 small squares. And this is another way to express the number. Yes, so I have 25 in digits, 25 in letters, 25 in blocks. So this is called ways we can write the number. Right, come to check how many ways we have to write the big numbers in million and in billion. First one is called standard form. The standard form is to write your number in only the digits. Okay, give me a moment, please, ya Jamila, and we'll come back. Yes, Jamila, I'm sorry for being late. The standard form is to write your number in digit, only in digit. Okay, ya Jamila, the standard form, the first way we can use to express our number is called standard form, and you can write only your number by digit, by using digits, okay, to form your number.
Okay.
And when you use the digits to write your number, you have to use only the commas. The commas to show
Yes.
to show what? To show the period. Did you remember the period when I talk about it in at the beginning of the first session, the other session?
Yes.
The period. Yeah, each period has 3 digits. So after 3 digits, you should write comma like this, so you can read your number easily, okay, and correctly also. And the second way is expanded form, and I think you know how to do it.
Yeah.
Yeah, expanded form is to write each.
Imagine we have 25.
Yes, yes,
Like this.
yes. But you have, ya Jamila, to write each digit by its value. Do you know some students make what, ya Jamila?
What?
Some students do this. Be with me, please. I will open.
I can't see the.
Yeah, I will open here. Can you see the board now?
Yes,
I make it. Yeah. Some students make what? If I give him like 3,581, they can. They imagine they do like this: 3 plus 5 plus 8 plus 1. Is it correct?
No.
Yeah, that's a very big mistake because you write all the digits you have in ones.
This is
yes, he write 3 in
not
ones.
one.
Yes, this is in thousands. So you have to write 3 and 1,000 like this. And 5, it's not a 5, it's 500. So you write 5 and 00. And of course, 8 is not 8, it's 80. So I can write 80. And this one, only the one you have in the ones place, you can write it one as you like, but the other digit, no, they are not correct at all, because you write all the numbers or all the digit of your number in the ones digit without any values. So anyone come to add these numbers together, they will find them how many? 17. If you add 1, if you add 1 to 8 to 5 to 3, it will give you 17 at the end. Is this number 3,581 could be 17 in any time in my life? Of course not. Of course not.
No.
Of course not. That's impossible to happen. So try to write each digit by its value. And my advice for you is to start from the ones, not from the big place value, which is 3. So you can go from place to place, and add 0 in each one. And if you don't have a place value like this number 3,002, like this, ya Jamila, some students make like this: 3 plus 2 or 300 plus 2. Some of them, yes, exactly. I'm sure. Yeah, do like this. So
this is crazy.
Yeah. So you don't have here a 10, or you don't have here 100 digit. So
Wow.
take 3. Yeah.
0 is gonna always be 0. Like.
Yeah. 3,000 plus 2. This will give you, if you add both together, it will give you the same number you have, which is 3,002. And some students make like this also. I think this is not false, but it's you don't need to write them. Make what? 3,002. They make like this: 3,000 plus 0 plus 0 plus 2. You don't need to write this 00, because 0 plus 0 is 0, and 0 plus anything else is it doesn't change your number. So you can write 3 zeros plus 2 only. You don't need to repeat the zeros which you have in your number here. Got it,
yes,
Jamila?
Yes.
Do you know I told you about these mistakes? Why? Because I don't want you to repeat these mistakes in any time when you're doing your homework by yourself, when you answer with your teacher in your school like this. I don't want you to repeat any of these mistakes. So I think I should tell you about them. Got it, ya Jamila?
Got it.
Yes. Right. So I have until now I have 2 ways, which is what? The first one is, can you say it by yourself? Standard form. And the second one is expanded form. Yes. So here,
The
look
third
at this.
one,
Look at this
word.
step. Look at this step here. As I said, exactly like I said, zeros are not needed in expanded form. Huh? If the example which I give you, 3002, you don't need to write zeros at in any place like the 0 plus 0. So he gave you here the same advice for me. Zeros are not needed in the expanded form because there is nothing in that place value. There is nothing. When I ask you the value of 0, it's still 0, whatever you have. 0 in 1,000 place will be the 0
If it's in
in all
milliards
time.
or any place,
Yes, will be the same
still
0. Yes. Okay, let's move on to the third way. The third way here is to write your number in word form. Like what? 7 in letter, 178 million. And then comma, and then 340,000, and then comma, 821, so on. Okay. And comma is important here also. We can use comma here to separate between millions, thousand, and the ones period. And we have here another new word. You didn't take it actually in grade 2 and even in grade 3. It's called short word form. I will explain something on the board to understand it. Yes, it's easy, but we can use this way only if you have a really big number. You can use this way, and it's will be easier to write your number in words by using it this way. For example, if I have 526 million or billion, 109 million 726,402. Okay, this is a really big number. So how can I write all of this in a word form? Instead of using instead of writing all of your numbers in the word form, I will just
write the write the number and then say the period after.
Yes, excellent. In letters. Yes, so I will just take the number which I have in each period and write write them as they are. For, like this example, 526, I will take it down and write 526 as it is, and then write billion in words. So the only thing which you are gonna write in letters will be the period, which is billion, million, like this, and write comma, and take 109 and write million like this, and write comma, and take 726 and write thousand just in letter like this, and then comma and write 402 like this. Okay,
this is the only one that we don't need to
yes,
write.
yes, because you don't need to write once, because you know, once if you write once, it doesn't change anything from your number. Yes, it will be the same 402. But if you don't write here billion, this will be a big mistake, because you mean that 526 is like ones. It's like 402 without billion. Yes?
Yes.
Got it? Okay. So this is what this is called this is called what? This is called short, because it's not long or big to write all the digits in the letters like the word for, and the word because only you can write the period in word and for. So this is short word form. This is called short word form. Easy?
Okay, easy.
Okay, I will give you an example of this way, and I want you to translate in by using the short word form. I have 200 billion, 305,899,001. Use another color. Don't
Why?
use my color. Don't use my color. My favorite color is the blue. Choose another one.
I'm gonna use my favorite color.
Okay, pink. Jamila, if it is hard to write on the board by using your mouse, I can write for you if you want.
No need. Oops. Now the color.
Okay.
Last one.
Last period is okay, but yes, okay, but yes, everything is all right, ya Jamila, everything is good, everything is correct, but I have something I want to tell you about it. Yes, this double zero. You don't need to write this double zero in the short word form. They have no value because they are at the left. And when you read your number, you will say 2,305,899,001. You don't say 001, yes?
Yeah.
Don't say that. So don't write the double zero, just write one as you write here. Right. Let's move to the book again. Check what we have else. I think only we have the compose and the decompose the numbers, and I can answer them with you in the exercise of this lesson. Please open page 51. 51. Yes, I want you to read question number 1 with me. يا جميلة, يلا start reading. Go ahead. 1, page 51.
Just 1 second, please. I'm getting the page. 51?
Yes, 51.
Okay, got it.
Yeah, the first question, please start reading.
Write the expanded form of the following.
Yeah, of each of the following. Yeah, let's check the first one together. It's 50,391. Tell me, and I will write for you on the board. Huh?
It's 50,000.
What? Again, please.
50,000.
Yes, 50,000, like this. Plus?
Plus 300.
Yes, nice. Plus?
Plus 90.
90, super, so good. The last thing is?
Plus 1.
Plus 1. Okay, let's move to the last number. And
what about the others?
Yeah, the last number. The others will be for you, my dear students.
Okay.
You know the idea, you know how to answer. Do you have here to explain all the question with you? I think we don't have time to answer all of them. So I will just take examples or 2 examples at most from each idea, from each question to know how to answer the others by yourself. Okay, ya Jamila?
Okay.
You cannot choose any letter B, C, D, E, and solve it by yourself with A and F to check yourself if you understand, if you know how to answer it by yourself, if you can answer it without mistakes, like this, just for you. Okay, I don't want you to answer all the question, but try from each question you have to answer at least 1 point. Okay, at least 1 point from each question. Okay, now move with me to the last one. Letter F.
Letter F.
Yes.
9 billion or 9 million?
9 and how many zeros? Tell me how many zeros I'm gonna write.
9.
9, yes. You can count how many digits before 9. They will be 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Plus what?
Plus 900 million.
900 million, 906 zeros, yes? Okay, plus?
Plus 80 million.
Yes, 80 million, 80 and 6 zeros next. Okay, plus?
Plus just a second, there isn't enough room. Where should we make it?
Now you can write that like this here in this line.
9 million.
9 million, 9 and 6 zeros. Yes. What else?
And yes.
Don't look at the board when I write. Close your eyes.
Writing.
Close your eyes. But if you close your eyes, how can you say the number you are gonna say?
I'm gonna look in my book.
Okay, so this is 700,000. So I made a mistake. I scrolled up. It's 700,000 only, like this. Okay, and the 90,000.
Yes, 90,000.
Plus, this is what will be 1,000.
Yes, 1. And
plus what?
Plus 900.
Plus 900. Plus
plus 80.
Plus 80 plus 5. Okay. So as I said, ya Jamila, try at least to answer another 1 point from each question. Okay?
Okay.
Yalla, move with me to the next question. Question number 2. Please start reading.
Question number 2. Write each number in standard form.
Yeah, the standard form is to write your number in digits. Yes. I will answer A, 370, 370, like this. And we will answer D. Read it. And when you read, I will write, huh?
63,796,903.
96, comma 903, 903, like this. Okay, also letter F.
Oh.
Yeah, start reading, huh? When you read, I will write, huh?
527
No,
million.
no, F, F يا جميلة, letter F. F, I skipped A, now letter F.
3,402,017,000.
102 million وبعدين 0 0 0 in thousand period, huh? And then 17 0 1 7, like this, right? Yes.
Yeah.
So if you don't have a period, like here, you don't have thousands, so try to do to write 3 zeros instead of each in this period, which is 1000, okay?
Okay.
Now I will move down. We have here different, we have here expanded form, and we need to translate it in standard form. Let's check letter H.
Listen, I'm writing something.
What?
I'm writing something.
Should I move, should I go back to write?
No. I'm writing it in my book and I understand it.
Okay, okay يا جميل. Very good. طيب letter H. Letter H, you have a number, but this number is written in expanded form, and we need to put all digits together to give you the number in the standard form. So my advice for you is to start with the ones digit, write ones, and then check, look for the tens, and then write the tens, and so on. Got it? So start from the ones. Yeah. Tell me the digit, and I will write, starting from the right, from the ones.
Just 1 second. Just 1 second.
Okay, take your time.
Last one.
One moment, please, Jamila, to answer the phone, please. Okay, I will come back. Yes, Jamila, I'm here.
Me too.
يلا حبيبتي, letter H. Do it with me, please. Start from the ones, huh? Tell me the digit, 1 by 1. Yes, 5.
And 2.
2. If you don't have a number in its place value, write instead 0. Okay, 0,
0,
comma.
comma.
After you finish the period, write comma.
0.
Yes.
0, I guess.
10,000, 10,000. Yes, we don't have 10,000, so write 0. And also we don't have 100,000, so again we will write 0.
And then 3.
And then 3, yes, 3 million.
Then
10 million. What about 10 million? Do you have?
no, 0.
No, 0. What about 100 million?
0.
4, it's here. Comma. And then what?
Just a second.
38.8.
And then 1. Yes?
Okay.
Yes. So can you read your number, please, Yamila, after you finish it?
1 million. 1 million for 403 million.
Yes.
5. Okay, I'm done. I read it.
So I will skip the other for you. Choose at least 1 or 2 of them. Try to answer them by yourself in the homework. Okay, Jamila? And
Okay.
now move with me. Turn the page 52. Start reading question number 3.
Just 1 second.
Take your time.
Which page?
Page 52.
Okay. Okay, I got it.
Yeah, question 3. Start reading.
Question 3. From 48.
Write each number in word form. Yeah, I will not answer the small number like this. I want to answer with you the really big number, which is like G or F, for example. And I will skip the others, as I said, to do it by yourself in the homework. Choose at least 1 or 2 of them and do it by yourself after I finish. Start from F.
How do I write 8?
How can you write what?
The number 8.
In letters?
Yes.
You don't know? AIGHT. You forget? Okay, ya Jamil.
Hard.
Okay, so I will write 9 and take care of writing the first letter always will be capital. Okay, 9, 900. 900. Try to write with me, and if you don't have here enough space, you can write down, complete down in this line between F and G. 911 million. million. You have to study, Jamila, the spelling of these words, million and 100 and 1,000 and billion, like this. So it's a 911 million, comma, write 300 90
Just 1 second.
and make between
Still
90.
writing 3. I'm still writing 3.
Okay, take your time, Jamila. I can wait for you. 94,000. Comma 100.
Still writing 94.
Yes, and be careful. We have here a hyphen or a small dash like this between 90 and 4. Okay, can you see it? Yeah, 100 16. EEN.
The right thing. Okay, yes, one. And
Plus what?
plus 900.
Plus 900. Plus,
Plus 80.
plus 80 plus 5. Okay. So as I said, يا جميلة, try at least to answer another 1 point from each question. Okay?
Okay.
يلا, move with me to the next question. Question number 2. Please start reading.
Question number 2. Write each number in standard form.
Yeah, the standard form is to write your number in digits. Yes. I will answer A, 370, 370, like this. And we will answer D. Read it. And when you read, I will write, huh?
63,796,903.
96, comma, 903, 903, like this. Okay, also letter F.
Oh.
Yeah, start reading. Huh? When you read, I will write, huh?
527 million.
No, F. F يا جميلة, letter F. F, I skipped A. I skipped A. With now letter F.
3 million 402 million 17.
102 million وبعدين 0 0 0 in thousand period, huh? And then 17 0 1 7, like this, right? Yes.
Yeah.
So if you don't have a period, like here, you don't have thousands, so try to do to write 3 zeros instead of each in this period, which is 1000. Okay.
Okay.
Now I will move down. We have here different, we have here expanded form, and we need to translate it in standard form. Let's check letter H.
Listen. I'm writing something.
What?
I'm writing something.
Should I move? Should I go back? Right?
No. I'm writing it in my book and I understand it.
Okay, يا جميل. Very good. طيب, letter H. Letter H, you have a number, but this number is written in expanded form, and we need to put all digits together to give you the number in the standard form. So my advice for you is to start with the ones digit, write ones, and then check, look for the tens, and then write the tens, and so on. Got it? So start from the ones. Yeah. Tell me the digit, and I will write, starting from the right, from the ones.
Just 1 second. Just 1 second.
Okay, take your time.
Last one.
One moment, please, يا جميلة, to answer the phone, please. Okay, I will come back. Yes, جميلة, I'm here.
Me too.
يلا حبيبتي, letter H. Do it with me,
Okay.
please. Start from the ones, huh? Tell me the digit, one by one. Yes, 5.
And 2.
2. If you don't have a number in its place value, write instead 0. Okay, 0.
0.
Comma.
Comma.
After you finish the period, write comma. Huh?
0.
Yes.
0, I guess.
10,000. 10,000. Yes, we don't have 10,000, so write 0. And also we don't have 100,000, so again we will write 0.
And then 3.
And then 3. Yes, 3 million.
And
10 million. What about 10 million? Do you have?
no, 0.
No, 0. What about 100 million?
0.
Or it's here, comma, and then what?
Just
38.8.
And then 1. Yes?
Okay.
Yes. So can you read your number, please, Jamila, after you finish it?
1 million. 1 million for 403 million.
Yes.
5. Okay, I'm done. I read it.
So I will skip the other for you. Choose at least 1 or 2 of them. Try to answer them by yourself in the homework. Okay, Jamila? And
Okay.
now move with me. Turn the page 52. Start reading question number 3.
Just 1 second.
Take your time.
Which page?
Page 52.
Okay. Okay, I got it.
Yeah, question 3. Start reading.
Question 3. From 48.
Write each number in word form. Yeah, I will not answer the small number like this. I want to answer with you the really big number, which is like G or F, for example. And I will skip the others, as I said, to do it by yourself in the homework. Choose at least 1 or 2 of them and do it by yourself after I finish. Start from F.
How do I write 8?
How can you write what?
The number 8.
In letters?
Yes.
You don't know? AIGHT. You forget? Okay, ya جميل.
Alright.
Okay, so I will write 9 and take care of writing the first letter always will be capital. Okay, 9, 900, 900. Try to write with me, and if you don't have here enough space, you can write down, complete down in this line between F and G. 911 million, million. You have to study, Jamila, the spelling of these words, million and 100 and 1,000 and billion, like this. So it's a 911 million, comma, write 300 90
Just 1 second.
and make between
Still
90.
writing 3. I'm still writing 3.
Okay, take your time, Jamila. I can wait for you. 94,000. comma, 100.
I'm writing 94.
Yes, and be careful. We have here a hyphen or a small dash like this between 90 and 4. Okay, can you see it? Yeah, 100, 160. EEN.
Still writing. Okay.
Okay, for the example, yeah, Jamila, like H, this is, you have a number here and your number is written in expanded form. Try first to write
about
in a
G?
standard form and then write it in
Still
words.
write G.
What?
What about G? Where are we gonna make G?
G exactly like F, a big number like F, exactly, you can do it. Okay, and what about H? H is a number, but it's written in expanded form. Try first, ya Jamila, to write it or put them together and write your number in standard form and then write it in word form. Okay, so this will be 760,000, and 29. This will make your answer easy to write your answer correctly without mistakes by using the word form. Okay, so you can write 70, and 7 is capital letter. 70, make a hyphen or dash like this, 6, and then 1,000.
So sweet. I'm still writing 70.
Okay, I am faster than you. I'm the winner. Okay, 76,000, comma, 29. 20, yes, dash 9.
Okay. Okay, I'm done.
Yes, good. Let's move down. Down, 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 down. In the second.
Down.
Yes, yes. This example here, this question here, question number 4, page 52, the last question here in the page. I will only answer with you letter B. B, just we will complete the missing number. The missing number or missing digits or missing period. For example, B here 4. Here write here milliard. So what should I have to write here before milliard? Which digit is in milliard? Yes, the digit is in milliard is 4. So I can write 4 here beside milliard. And then million, I will write only 30. I will not write 030. Okay? Be careful. And 1,000, I will write 400,000 and 50. This is the short word form. This example for the short word form. Got it? Letter B. Yes? Okay, I will, yeah, I will move down with me to D, letter D, and check. He write here milliard. Milliard. So I will ask myself, which digit is in milliard, please? 2. Yes, I will write 2. And you can write 2 in digit, in words, because you have here 1 is written in words or in letters. So you have to write all your number in letters. So this is 2 milliard. And then 1, he said 1 only. What I need here to write beside 1? It's 1 what? 100 million, yes? So I will write 100 and million. You can write million down if you don't have enough space. And then 80. 80 what? 80,000.
80,000.
And 5 is written.
Okay.
Okay, yalla down. Down, down, down. The same here. Yes, il composed and il decompose. Yes, this is my favorite question. I think you will love it like me. Complete the following. Composed. Composed means to put them together again, okay, to get your number in the standard form. So this is 7 times 10,000 means 70,000. Yes, I will write 7 in 70,000. And 8 times 1,000 يا جميلة means 8,000. So I will write 8 next to 7 like this and write comma because I don't have anything else in the 1,000 period. So I am gonna now to start another period, which is ones, and the first digit in it will be 526. So this is your number, 78,526. And this table, you can write each digit in its place value like this here: 6, 2 in tens, 5 in 100, 8 in 1,000, and 7 in 10,000. That's it. Sometimes he will give you the composed. Look, ya Jamila, sometimes in the other questions, you can say your number written in composed, and he needs you to write decompose for it. And maybe he give you the number in the table, but he didn't give you the number in compose and decompose, and you will answer them by yourself, like exact examples down you have. Here, for example, B, he give you the composed, and he ask you to write in decompose and in the table. And down also, yes, I will answer with you letter C because you don't have the compose or decompose your the number, but just you have the number in the table, written in the table. And I will check with you how to write the composed and decomposed form for this number. Like first, the composed, I think it's easy. Just you will copy the digits from the table up next to each other like this: 2, 8, 0, 5, 4, 0, 0, 6, 9, 3. And don't forget to write comma between each 3 digits like this. Okay, now I want you to tell me the decomposed or the place or the like the expanded form. But instead of writing 20, for example, you can write 2 times 10. Instead of writing 500, you will write 5 times 100. Like this example, which is written up in this one. You know what? This one. Here he writes, instead of writing 70,000 like this, he writes what? He writes 7 times 10,000. They are the same. You know that?
No.
Yes. Okay, ya Jamila? They are the same. Yalla, complete with me, please. I will move down. And tell me the decomposed for each digit. Yalla. Start from the ones, start from the milliard, as you like. Yalla, tell me. 2 multiply by
multiply by 8
multiply by multiply by what?
million.
Check, yeah, by milliard, by 1 million. 1 million means 1 and 9 zeros next. Because you want to get 2 million. So multiply 2 by 1 million and you will get 2 million. But this is another way to write 2 million. Instead of write 2 and 9 zeros next, you can write 2 times 1 million. And please don't forget, ya Jamila, to put them inside parentheses like this to make a difference between this and the next place value. And write plus. What about 8?
Plus
8 times what, ya Jamila?
8 times million.
Yes, times million or 100 million. 100. 8 in 100, yes. So 160. So 106 zeros. Plus 0 has no value, so I will skip 0. يلا write 5. 5 times what? 5 in million, so 5 times million. You are with me يا جميلة?
Yes.
Okay, 6 zeros. Close the bracket, plus 4 in 100,000, so I will write 4 times 100,000.
I don't have room in my book.
Down يا جميلة, in this space between the word decompose and between the table. Try to make your handwriting small little bit to finish your number. 4 times 100,000, I said. 0 has no value. 0 also in 1,000 has no value. So I will move directly to 6 and write 6 in 100. 6 times 100. It's easy now. Close parenthesis and then open another parenthesis. Write 9 times 10.
What?
Plus 9 times 10. It's 9 tenths. 9 in 10 place. So it's 90. It's 9 times 10. And 3 times what? Times 1. Yes. No, times 1. Not times 0. 3 times 0 will give you 0, but you have 3. So you will multiply it by 1. That's it. And I think your time is over. Time is up. I will stop at here. Inshallah, I will complete with you the next session. I will miss you until the next session comes. See you later. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye, ya حبيبي.